Okay, Formula Ford action, Summit Point Raceway. I've qualified nearish the front, so I'm quite happy with where I am. Let's see if we can just get away with the leaders.
Green, green, green.
And not, oh dear, my starts have not been good recently. I've made a mess of that. I keep forgetting sort of whatever car I'm in, well, what's the best way to start it? I think that's the problem.
Clear.
I confuse myself.
Right side.
Someone trying to win the race in the first corner by the looks of it.
Keep to the left.
Oh my goodness. I'm getting completely mugged here.
To the left.
It was very tight in qualifying, so they're all pretty quick. We'll see. Let it settle down. Certainly got away from the group behind already by the looks of it. Yeah, I did not make the best of that start. Okay, we've all made it round. I'm surprised at that. Although, looks like somebody... There's a bit of a crash there. It's allowed the cars behind to catch up, unfortunately. Yeah, well, yeah. That was going to happen, wasn't it? Go side by side through that.
Still there.
So where's this guy going to go then?
Hold your line.
Into me, probably.
Right side.
Oh, my goodness.
Keep to the left.
Somebody off on the left.
Sorry, I did not see you.
Clear.
Sorry.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
26 point.
Who was that then?
Why?
Yeah.
Go right.
See, left his braking too late.
Clear.
See, that was going to happen. Okay, we're 6th. We're 4th on the grid, so we're not doing too bad. We're getting back to where we should be, hopefully.
Really?
Oh, no, that was not good. Bit of an oversteer moment as I turned in.
10 minutes to go.
Yeah, Mother. What was that?
Oi, we just got stopped.
Clear on the right.
Blimey. I'm struggling it. We made up another spot though. Just got to keep my foot in, haven't I, really? Otherwise I'm going to get dropped. Have to take a few risks here. So Dario Frantiti was very quick, but he's out, isn't he? So I don't know what happened to him. I think it was the guy that went off at that hairpin. Okay, where are we? Can we close up? We're within the slipstream, but this guy's lost the slipstream, but they look like they're fighting ahead, so
17.1.
that could help us.
You're in 5th. Nice work.
He lost the rear there. So can we close in? I think we might do if they're going to battle. A bit better through there that time.
There's an incident ahead.
Yeah, they're bashing into each other, are they? Struggling to get stopped there. I think we're closing back up on them, aren't we? Let's keep my foot in if I can. It's a little ease just to get it turned in. This white car is nearly back in their slipstream, which is what we want. So we can all close up.
$16.181. You've got
Hello.
the fastest lap.
Okay, how did that happen?
The car in P6 just set the fastest lap. 15.938.
That's the guy behind then.
Car right.
Oh, he's not going to get around the outside, is he?
To the left. Clear on the right.
When he's hit me. So I don't know what he's trying to do.
Nice move, David.
I don't know why he's criticising me. I'm just driving my car. He's pretty quick, whoever he is. He's not quick enough to drive around the outside on that corner, I don't think. He's made a right mess of that, hasn't he? So that's good.
.617. The car in
Well, Gregor is not really making progress, is he?
15.931.
You really think he was going to drive around the outside there? I mean, you got to have a lot of confidence to think you can do that. Blimey.
Yeah, cheers, Barjas.
Who's that? Barjas, I like that. Are we catching the leaders?
Can't go round, but you have to go through it.
Feels like we're catching them. Maybe not. I think we got away from that guy behind, haven't we, a little bit?
The car in P12 just set the fastest lap. 15.707. 16.207. The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 15.664.
This guy's defending, isn't he? Picking his line early, and the two behind have gone off. Oh dear.
And he gets another one.
Five minutes to go.
There's a bomb. Oh, I saw that, Michael. Very ugly.
Okay, so I need to be careful. The guy behind then, I think the chat is saying he's nobbled a couple of people already, and he did look like he knocked the guy off that was criticising me. Looked like he knocked him off.
My best hope here is that Manuel makes his way through the field. And I mean through, literally.
I'm keeping an eye on my mirrors for when he gets to me.
Thank you,
The
John.
car in P12 just set the fastest lap. 15.5.
Okay, we're going okay.
15.1.
We're not catching the leaders anymore.
Lap of the session. The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 15.463.
Make him do the up and under,
Left side.
and then I will
Keep to the right.
force him to onto a narrow line.
Keep to the right. Clear. Right side.
Which means I can get up his inside here, maybe?
Hold your line.
Thank you.
Keep to the left. Clear. Right side.
And have the inside here.
Clear.
And let him deal with the guy behind first. See if he gets knocked off by him.
See people drive like that, Mark, and then when you do the same to them, they report you.
Okay, what do I do then? Go to the inside, I guess.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 15.348. Car on your left. 16.882. Still there. You're back in fourth.
This is the guy that's been taking people off, isn't it? So I need to watch him. We'll just try and follow him, shall we?
Car right. Clear on the right.
He went then, didn't he? Maybe fast, but he looks a bit ragged. Guess it helps me because I've got his slipstream. Let's see how aggressive he is then, shall we?
16.57. Car right. Stay on the left. Still there, hold your line. Stay on the left.
That's not helped me, is it?
Clear on the right.
Did he hit me? Did somebody hit me? No, what happened there? We're racing in tight formation here, aren't we? There's a high risk,
Right side.
I think, here.
Keep to the left. Clear.
I don't think that's a good line, the outside line there. He's definitely quick, number 8, isn't he? Is he quick enough?
You just got the white flag. That's
Okay, white flag.
go. 16 point.
Can we get round him?
7.
I'm guessing not.
Side. Keep to the left. Still there, hold your line.
Look at that. Just drifting wide into me.
Still there.
Blocking my path.
Clear on the right.
Not enough room. I'm trying to push him into a mistake, but it's not working. Good race though. I mean, he didn't hit me, he hasn't done anything wrong to me, but he did look like he was taking other people out. But anyway, he was fine with me. We were having a good race there. I don't think I'm going to get him on the straight, but you never know, do you?
You got a slow car on the right.
Don't think so, no.
Car right.
Okay, well that was good. I enjoyed that. Good fun. Okay, let's park it up. Okay, here's the start then. So yeah, we got away okay. Well, I say we got away okay. We got away badly, didn't we? I need to work out what I'm doing there. And then what was happening behind. So just a little bit of bumping here, so that was okay. I mean, it's good, good bit of driving, I think, for most of us at the start. And then what have we got? These two, yeah, I mean, he was always going to, well, it's the car on the left's fault. Yeah, he shouldn't have hit number 3 like that. There was space for both of them. Here's the leaders. What are they going to do? Oh! Yeah, unlucky. What's this guy going to do? Yeah, could see that happening. Just got his braking wrong. Oh dear. Adding insult to injury. And that was, oh gosh. Well, they were lucky to avoid him, weren't they? Very lucky. And what have we got? Is he just going to drive? What's happening here? Just going to bump him? No. No, all looks okay. That's me ahead. Right, this is where he just... Yeah, that's not nice, is it? That's not nice. And what have we got? Oh, where's he going? Must be the end of the race. My goodness. Oh, well, that was fun. Let's look at the results. Okay, then, so that was top split out of 7. Got a bit of safety rating and a bit of iRating, so pretty good. Happy with that. Best lap for 16 flat, more or less. 15.3, 15.4, 15.7. So half a second away, really, where I needed to be. This was the really fast guy, 15.4. Unlucky to be taken out early on. So yeah, really enjoyed that. Anyway, if you want to see more of this sort of stuff, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.